I've been in YBS for 4 years now, running initially as Deputy Finance Director, but most recently as Director of Finance, running the finance team. We're around 120 people across the broader function. In terms of my history, I've worked in a whole bunch of different organisations, including Lloyds, Orange, Ernst & Young, KPMG, which has been an interesting number of different roles over the years. I've got a wife, a couple of children, twin girls, 5 years old. That causes me all sorts of fun and grief at home. So across the team, we've got a number of roles that we're going to be recruiting for across the team following an internal restructure. We're creating some new teams, and there are three main areas where we've got recruitment underway. So the first area is a new team which is around business partnering for all the income generating functions in YBS. We need a set of business partners that will work with, challenge and support the commercial functions, help them deliver value in the organisation, and also deliver change and business cases in an effective way and support the overall growth of the organisation. Another area that we're recruiting will be the cost and investment team, where again we are creating a number of new roles around business partnering the broader business, both in terms of BAU and transformation. Those areas will be strategic business partners supporting change and an ongoing direction of travel where we're looking to be more effective and efficient in the way that we spend our money. The last area that we're going to be looking to recruit for is more in the traditional finance areas of reporting and operations. We've got some regulatory reporting and other management information reporting roles, but also in the operational function, which is more the engine room of finance. We're also recruiting some key controls roles, both at the manager and the control officer level, which should hopefully help us drive a better and more effective set of controls in the way that we manage the finances in the organisation. So we're looking for people who are really interested in what they do, they're passionate about working in the organisation, they want to make a difference. We need commercial people who can think strategically and on their feet. The organisation has lots of change underway at the moment. It's an ambitious organisation, and we want people who can feel comfortable working in that environment, but also fit within the culture of YBS, where we have a whole bunch of range of different types of people, but culturally it's quite important that people can work well together. It's a friendly organisation, people get on well, and therefore that'll be something that we look for through the recruitment process. We'll have individual conversations with people in terms of their development plans, but what we're looking for is developing the organisation, the broader finance team, in terms of the capabilities that we've got and helping the business support change. On an individual level, we would look to be developing individuals in their own roles initially, working with them to help them understand the organisation, the industry, and the direction of travel, but also be looking to help them move their careers forwards in a way that fits their individual needs and requirements. So YBS is a great place to work. It's a mutual organisation, so we're owned by our members. That means that we can do things a little bit differently to some of the big banks. We actually do really care and think about how we treat our customers. In terms of the individual elements of finance, the main areas where we can make a difference is finance is a broad function. It sees everything in the organisation, and that means we get involved in everything from operational issues through to strategic issues, understanding the numbers, the backgrounds, the forecasts, involved in business cases and broader business decisions. That makes it quite an interesting role.